United Nations (UN) headquartered in New York, USA. World Health Organization (WHO) headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. International Monetary Fund (IMF) headquartered in Washington, Washington DC, USA. World Bank headquartered in Washington DC, Washington DC, USA. UNESCO UNESCO United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization headquartered in Paris, France. IAEA International Atomic Energy Agency headquartered in Vienna, Austria. OPEC Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. OPEC Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries headquartered in Vienna, Austria. World Trade Organization WTO headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. ICJ International Court of Justice headquartered in The Hague, Netherlands. NATO North Atlantic Treaty Organization headquartered in Brussels, Belgium. EU European Union headquartered in Brussels, Belgium. AU African Union headquartered in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. SAARC South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation headquartered in Kathmandu, Nepal. ASEAN Association of Southeast Asian Nations headquartered in Jakarta, Indonesia. ILO International Labour Organization headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. IOC International Olympic Committee headquartered in Lausanne, Switzerland. WMO World Meteorological Organization headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. FAO Food and Agricultural Organization headquartered in Rome, Italy. Now we will look at whether Pakistan is part of any of these organizations or not. United Nations, yes, Pakistan is part of United Nations since 30 September 1947. World Health Organization, yes, Pakistan is part of World Health Organization since 1947. International Monetary Fund, IMF, yes, Pakistan is part of IMF since 11 July 1950. World Bank, yes, Pakistan is part of World Bank since 1950. UNESCO, Pakistan is part of UNESCO since 14 September 1949. International Atomic Energy Agency. Pakistan is part of International Atomic Energy Agency since 1957. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. No, Pakistan is not part of this organization. World Trade Organization. Yes, Pakistan is part of World Trade Organization since 1st January 1995. International Court of Justice. No, Pakistan is not part of this organization. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. No, Pakistan is not part of it. European Union. No, Pakistan is not part of it. African Union. No, Pakistan is not part of it. SARC. Yes, Pakistan is part of SARC since 1985. Association of Southeast Asian Nation. No, Pakistan is not a member of this organization, but it is a partner, a sectoral dialogue partner since 1993. International Labour Organization. Yes, Pakistan is part of International Labour Organization since 1947. International Olympic Committee. Yes, Pakistan is part of it since 1948. World Meteorological Organization. Yes, Pakistan is part of it since 1950. Food and Agriculture Organization. Yes, Pakistan is part of it since 7th September 1947. There is one more organization that I forgot to write. SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Its headquarters is in Beijing, China. And Pakistan is part of it since 9 June 2017.